My name's Ed Long. I'm sales engineer for Bimba. These are our actuators. Just a quick walkthrough. These are our series of compact guided electric actuators. There's 3 different form factors. This is a narrow profile table. This is a thrust cylinder, and this is your standard thrust cylinder actuator with a guide rod module. We also have a number of electric actuators that operate with a belt as opposed to a screw. All of our actuators feature an internal linear guide, high force belt, high force aluminum extrusion for carriage, and we offer them in 3 different form factors for motion. We offer a belt, a screw, and a rack and pinion. This is an example of a belt. This is an example of a screw-driven actuator. And this is what we call our high-speed XC 2-axis linear robots. These are capable of speeds up to 5 meters a second. This has a payload of 183 pounds. And like all of our actuators, they are fully configurable as far as your X-axis length, your Z-axis length, and we can offer mountings for any traditional, conventional servo motor of your customer's choice.